Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a business savings account with Twoguysfinance. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to go to Twoguysfinance's website and then click on business savings. Now once that's done, you're going to review the different business savings accounts options and choose the one that best suits your specific business needs. And then you're going to click apply now and fill out the online application form. Now you're going to need to provide the required documentation such as the business financial documents and tax returns documents. Once that's been provided, just going to review and agree to the business savings accounts terms and conditions. And once you've agreed to that, you're going to receive a business savings accounts decision. And if the decision is approved, you're going to need to review and sign the account documents. And once all of that has been taken care of, all you got to do is just fund your business savings accounts and you can start earning interest. And don't forget to use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the Twoguysfinance mobile app to manage your business savings accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a business savings account with Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.